we recommend using a trim panel tool. Remove the side panel. Remove the 2 bolts securing the glove box door using a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the glove box. Remove the top 3 screws that secure the glove box assembly. Grab and pull on the glove box to release the tabs from the catch so you can remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Disconnect the light. Pull the tab on the housing cover and slide the housing cover off. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Install your new AQ1278C filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Slide the housing cover into position and press to lock it into place. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the side panel.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.